still alive.
What type of bird is it?
I don't know. Maybe some kind of a hawk.
Izzy, what type of bird is it? It's a hawk. I read all about birds. Shh. Black. Black. It's still alive. No, no, no. It's hurt, Mommy.
It's going after it.
What if we go outside and go after the thing? I'm gonna go look under.
It's under the truck.
I can't see it.
See a little spot by the tire?
Uh-huh.
That's where the little bird is at.
Oh, where's the big bird?
I don't know. He's on the other side.
What hit the window?
The bird. The big bird was chasing the little bird and they hit the window. That's like the third or fourth time it's happened.
You've seen all those feathers. You've seen it, Mommy, you've seen it a lot of times?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Look at all those feathers. There's a feather and then you can see Mama. More.
What?
When it's gone, can me and Izzy go look at the outside and look at the feathers?
Mm-hmm.
Look, I see another feather. Me too. I'm gonna have to check. Oh. Why isn't it eating it? I think
You have
that
to kill it first.
Because it's for its babies, that's why it killed it. How is it killing it? That might be the father or the mom. Brown hawks are always a female. What's that mean?
That's not true.
Dead. Some people use feathers as decorations for hats, anything. Hats, pins, hair bows. Oh, dead spider. It's not dead. Oh. No. I see spider. I see